Have you ever contemplated the idea of nurturing your very own indoor herb garden? The thought is indeed enticing. Imagine the joy of plucking fresh basil, thyme, or rosemary right from your living room. Not to mention the delightful aroma that fills the air. Today, we delve into the wonderful world of indoor gardening. More specifically, constructing an indoor herb spiral. The indoor herb spiral, a vertical garden, is an ingenious solution for those who love gardening but are constrained by space. It's not just functional, but also a visually appealing addition to your indoor space. So, how do you build an indoor herb spiral? It's simpler than you might think. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need a large pot or container, small-sized pebbles, potting soil, and of course your selection of herb plants. Start with the pot. This acts as the base of your spiral. The size of the pot determines how many herbs you can plant, so choose accordingly. Next, layer the bottom of the pot with the pebbles. This creates a drainage system for your plants, a crucial element for their survival. Then it's time for the soil. Fill the pot with potting soil until it's about 3/4 full. Now comes the fun part, building the spiral. Here, creativity is your best friend. Using the soil, form a spiral mound starting from the center of the pot and working your way outwards. The center of your spiral should be the highest point. Once you're satisfied with your spiral, it's time to introduce your herbs. Plant your herbs along the spiral in the order of their size. Taller herbs go towards the center where the soil is highest, while shorter herbs find their place towards the edge of the pot. Finally, water your new herb spiral thoroughly. Remember, the key to a thriving indoor garden is regular watering and plenty of sunlight. In summary, building an indoor herb spiral involves selecting a suitable pot, creating a drainage system with pebbles, filling the pot with soil, shaping a spiral mound, planting your herbs, and finally, watering them well. It's an easy, manageable process that can transform your indoor space into a green haven. Not to mention, it's a fun and rewarding project that brings you closer to nature, right from the comfort of your home. So why not give it a try? Embrace the green thumb within you and start building your indoor herb spiral today. Remember, in the world of gardening, patience is indeed a virtue. Happy gardening.